We're sitting inside the all-new 2020 Kia Telluride. I want to go over a couple of nice features that this vehicle has. Um, it has what's called idle stop and go and also the auto hold. I want to kind of demonstrate how both of these work. I'm going to engage the auto hold, and what that does is in the event you're stuck in traffic, um, if you're in drive, you can just leave it in drive and it brakes the car. It does not take off until you let go of the brake and give it a little gas, and then it engages again. That's called the auto hold. Again, it's really a great feature if you're stuck in traffic. You don't have to, put it in park and then remember to put it back in drive, because when you're in drive, it's going to hold it there and you're not going to move. It's going to brake it. The other feature is, again, it's called idle stop and go. It's designed to give you a little better fuel economy. When you come up to a stop, like a traffic light, um, you just, again, you hit the brake and the car basically shuts off. Again, the feature is called idle stop and go. Then, when you let go of the brake, it takes off again. Okay, again, it's designed for fuel economy because you could be stuck at a traffic light, for a little bit of time, and while you're at the traffic light, the engine is not running; it's literally stopped. So it's going to save you a little on your fuel economy. You still have everything's engaged: the radio, the navigation, everything's still engaged. If you have the cooled seats on in the summer, that's still engaged as well. Um, Now, that idle stop and go is something that you can turn off as well. Um, in the button here, when you turn it off, it lights up and lets you know it's off. And then the engine, it starts, it runs when you're at a stop or a stoplight or stop sign.